guys, Ivan here, and in this video I'm going to show you this beautiful cabriolet. So this is Mercedes-AMG S63 4MATIC Plus, and you can see this beautiful paint, and this paint is called the Zyno Cashmere White Magno. It is a Magno paint, but as you can see it's not typical matte paint. The light really bounces off the paint really in a special way. So guys, before we start, don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below what you think about this car, what's your favorite spec of the S-Class Cabriolet, and also hit the notification bell so you're notified for all new videos. So guys, you can see here, this is a special thing for this, because this car is located in the AMG brand center. There are only 5 or 6 in the world at the moment, and there are only plans for like 25 AMG brand centers. What is AMG brand center? And that's a special standalone building, standalone showroom, which has in the showroom only AMG vehicles. So usually, and how it is with other studios, which is for example AMG Performance Center, that has in the same building Mercedes-Benz vehicles and also Mercedes-AMG. But here we have only AMG vehicles. So on this iPad you can see the full spec of this car, really in this interactive way, so you can see everything in pictures and you can read every option. So this beautiful S-Class Cabriolet has a dark blue soft top, but at the moment we cannot see that, so I showed you that on the tablet. So here I want to show you how this car looks. So this is the facelift version, which brings a new AMG specific grille and also updates in the interior. So this car looks very prominent, and basically if you drive this with the top down it looks like a land yacht, or yeah, it's just the statement of this car is presence on the road is on the different level. And also this front bumper, take a look how it's shaped, even a little more than is the grille. So here you can see these lights. So these are the LED intelligent lights. This is like a predecessor to the multi-beams. Really I'm lost for words. This car is so beautiful from the front. It looks like a shark. It's very aggressive, but in the same time it's very nice, very elegant and very classy. So we can see here close up to this paint. So it has like a metallic flakes, but at the same time it's like a matte. So very nice background paints from Mercedes-AMG and Mercedes-Benz. So we can see now these power domes on the bonnet, and there is also like a central line on the bonnet and on the bumper. So this design is one of the best designs in my opinion for what we saw on the Mercedes-Benz and Mercedes-AMG vehicles. So now we can check out the alloy wheels on this vehicle. So we can see also V8 Biturbo 4MATIC Plus on the front fender, and these are the matte black alloy wheels which have like a chrome lip around them, 255, 40, 20-inch wheels, and these are Michelin Pilot Sport 3 tires, Mercedes original compound, and we have also AMG Performance ceramic brakes. And this line goes to the back of this vehicle, so that's really nice. And also the rear of the vehicle is special. So facelift also brings the OLED tail lamps, which I will show you in a second in a close-up. But if the top is down, you can see very nicely the interior of the car, and in this case the beige color. So we have S63 on the right side of the boot and the AMG on the left side. In the middle is Mercedes. If you press the badge, actually the boot will open, but I will show you that later. And we have also this chrome line which is in the middle of the boot lid. So these are the OLED tail lamps. They have like individual OLED panels, and yeah, it looks just crazy, and this is upgrade on the facelift vehicle. So when we open the fuel cap, we can check out the tire pressure and also the maximum speed. So the top speed is 300 kilometers per hour or 186 miles per hour, and you should use the best possible petrol for this car. So we can see here the Burmester high-end hi-fi system, which has these gorgeous speakers on the, we can say, like a rear deck. So this really looks like a yacht, this rear portion of this car. And also the decor here is in a dark blue color. So this is called deep sea blue, and it is in combination with the silk porcelain interior. So this is like a beige and white, we can say something like this, cross between a beige and white. We have also the speaker in the doors, Burmester high-end, and these speakers have a great sound, and also the design of the speakers itself is really nice. So this looks incredible, and also the steering wheel is updated and infotainment system. So now we have a new style command system in this vehicle. So really this specification with the silk, porcelain and deep sea blue is just something to behold. So this new style steering wheel brings new controls. So with the left part you control the instrument cluster, which we can see. With the right part you control the command display. So we have Nappa leather on the steering wheel, also this high gloss black decor, AMG logo. We have here some additional assistive systems, pedals, floor mats. We can see the Affolterbach crest. So Affolterbach is a city where the Mercedes-AMG has a headquarters, and also a factory where are handcrafted engines for this vehicle. So these seats are the best seats which Mercedes offers, and they are the best in a comfort way and also in a visual way. They have like a diamond cut, diamond stitching, and they look just fantastic, and they're very comfortable to sit. They have all kinds of massages, so that's great. Windows are also double glazed, and we can see the rear seats are in the same fashion as the front seats. So actually you can sit in the rear seats. I'm 186 centimeters or 6 feet and between 1 and 2 inch, and it's possible to sit there. It's not like a super spacious, but you can do that. So let's open the bonnet, the hood, and check out the heart of this car. So this is a handcrafted engine, one man, one engine, 4.0 liter V8 Biturbo engine, which produces 450 kilowatts, that's 612 horsepower, 900 Newton meters of torque, and from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour this car can sprint in 3.5 seconds, and to 60 maybe like 3.4 seconds, 3.4 seconds. Maximum speed is 300 kilometers per hour, 186 miles per hour, and this is 4MATIC Plus system, so all-wheel drive with variable torque distribution. You can see also the plaque of the person which handcrafted this particular engine with the signature of the person, of the worker. So really nice. This is hot inner V engine, so the turbos are sitting on the top of the cylinder banks. We have also heat shields, and we can now close this bonnet. So all in all, this car is a work of art in my opinion, and I'm really glad I could bring you and show you this car. I didn't have a key for this car, so I couldn't show you full infotainment system, but I already showed the S63 with the infotainment system with the key fob, so you can check that out on my YouTube channel. I will link it down in the description box. If you are interested, you can check the video out as well. So the boot space is rated at 400 liters when the roof is up, but when the roof is folded you lose some space, but you can see clearly how much you can put in the car based on the black cover in the boot space. So up to the cover you can put your luggage and you will be fine. So I think it's obviously enough for weekend trips, and you can see this cover here. So I think this is sufficient. Usually in these cars travel only 2 people, so I think this should be enough. The boot lid is also electric, We have 4 exhaust pipes in the rear. In the armrest you can open or close the roof. We have also air scarf, so this will blow hot air on your neck, and this way you can drive this car also when it's not very warm outside. So guys, that's it for this video. Let me know what you think about this car and what's your favorite spec. Like this video, comment down below, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. So guys, I will see you soon in the next video. Have a wonderful day.